Hello guys and welcome back to my episode. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you turn on battery percentage of your AirPods on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your AirPods battery percentage is not showing up on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video to fix this issue. So guys, first of all, long press on the screen and then tap on plus button. So guys, from here you will have to tap on batteries. So guys, here you see this, your battery percentage of your AirPod is not showing up. So guys, from here you will have to just open your AirPod box, just open them, wait for some seconds. So guys, from here now turn on your Bluetooth, connect your Bluetooth, so guys connect. So guys, tap on connect anyway, go back. So guys, here you see that the battery percentage of my AirPods is now being shown on my AirPods. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.